paper towels, something we use every day without a second thought. But behind every sheet is a world of precise machinery, coordinated production lines, and high-speed automation. From pulpy beginnings to soft, absorbent rolls, the process is a perfect blend of science and engineering. Today, we take you deep inside the factory to reveal how paper towels are cut, rolled, and wrapped at lightning speed and massive scale. The journey of a paper towel begins with pulp, usually a mix of softwood and hardwood trees. These trees are harvested and transported to massive pulp mills, where the transformation begins. Softwoods offer strength due to their long fibers, while hardwoods provide softness. The combination creates the perfect paper towel balance, strong yet absorbent. Once at the mill, logs are chipped into small pieces and chemically or mechanically broken down into pulp. Chemical pulping removes lignin, the glue-like substance that holds wood fibers together, resulting in softer, higher quality pulp. The cleaned pulp is then bleached to a pure white using environmentally regulated processes. From there, it's pumped into a paper machine, a giant system that stretches over 100 meters long. This machine sprays a thin layer of pulp onto a fast-moving mesh screen. Water drains through the mesh, and the fibers begin bonding into a continuous paper sheet. Large rollers then press and dry the sheet using heat and pressure. What emerges is a huge ribbon of paper known as the mother reel. This reel can span several meters wide and weigh several tons. But it's still just flat paper. Next comes the transformation into soft, patterned, absorbent paper towels. Before converting, the paper is embossed. Embossing uses steel rollers with raised patterns that press designs into the paper. These patterns aren't just for looks. They add texture, strength, and improve absorbency by creating pockets that hold liquid. With the sheet now dried, textured, and rolled, the next step is rewinding it into smaller, more manageable logs. These logs look like giant versions of the paper towel rolls we use at home, but there's still a long way to go before packaging. Once the paper logs are rewound, they're sent to the cutting station, where speed meets precision. Here, massive rolls are sliced into individual paper towel rolls with razor-sharp circular blades spinning at high velocity. These blades don't just slice, they measure. Each cut is calculated to ensure uniform size and length. Sensors scan the log and synchronize the blade timing with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring every household roll is perfectly identical. After cutting, the rolls are separated and lined up on conveyors. Workers once handled this process, but today it's almost entirely automated. Robots or pushers guide the rolls along the path to packaging. But there's one more essential step before packaging: core insertion. Each roll needs a cardboard core to give it structure. Tubes are pre-cut and inserted into the rolls at high speed using a mechanical inserter. Next, the rolls head into a wrapping machine. Here, clear plastic film wraps around individual or multi-roll packs. Shrink wrap machines use heat to seal the film tightly, protecting the rolls from moisture and contamination. High-speed lines can wrap hundreds of rolls per minute. Cameras and scanners double-check each wrapped pack for errors like misalignment, missing rolls, or loose seals. After wrapping, the rolls are labeled. Barcodes, batch numbers, and logos are printed directly onto the film or attached via label applicators. These details are critical for inventory management and traceability. Now comes the final step: boxing and palletizing. Robotic arms lift packs into cardboard cartons, seal them, and stack them in neat formations on pallets ready for shipping. Forklifts or automated guided vehicles then move the pallets to storage or straight onto trucks for delivery to retailers around the world. In just minutes, raw pulp has become a ready-to-use household essential. The production of paper towels isn't just about volume, it's about innovation. Modern factories constantly improve efficiency, safety, and environmental impact through cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. For example, many facilities now use recycled paper pulp alongside virgin fibers. This reduces the demand on forests and conserves water and energy used in processing raw wood. For example, many facilities now use recycled paper pulp alongside virgin fibers. This reduces the demand on forests and conserves water and energy used in processing raw wood. Some brands go further by sourcing fibers from certified sustainable forests and using chlorine-free bleaching processes. The goal is to create a high-quality product with the lowest possible environmental footprint. Water recovery systems have also become more common in paper towel manufacturing. Instead of releasing used water, it's filtered and reused multiple times within the same plant, reducing waste and preserving natural resources. Energy efficiency is another frontier. Factories often install heat exchangers and renewable power sources to cut down on carbon emissions. Some even run partially on solar or biomass energy, making them cleaner and more efficient. Then there's packaging innovation. New designs aim to use less plastic, sometimes replacing it with biodegradable film or recyclable paper wraps. Others shrink the core size or eliminate it entirely, reducing waste in landfills. Smart factories are also changing how paper towels are made. AI and machine learning algorithms help monitor production, detect defects, and even predict equipment maintenance needs. This reduces downtime and maximizes output. With every improvement, paper towel factories become faster, cleaner, and more precise. From chopping logs to wrapping rolls, what once took hours and teams of workers is now done in minutes by synchronized machinery. So next time you reach for a paper towel to clean a spill or dry your hands, remember, it's not just a simple sheet. It's the result of global supply chains, complex machinery, and relentless innovation all working together behind the scenes. From the forest floor to your kitchen drawer, the paper towel's journey is a story of transformation. And as technology continues to advance, that journey will only get faster, greener, and smarter.